All right, so I have received, your testimonies. I've received them. You've put them in the comments. I love it. Every once in a while, I get a phone call from someone who's like, "Thank you so much for your videos. Thank you for this work. I've, sought out somebody in my community to do platonic touch or cuddling and all of that. And now I would like to hear more from you about all. So I want to make it really simple. Dial the number wherever you see it. It's 210-901-9943. I should make like a jingle. 210-901-9943. And however you want to do that. Call the number and leave a voice message. So I'm going to use these either for videos or for the podcast. I'm hoping to launch the podcast this week. We just decided, Denise and I, we're just going to throw it out there. Hope you enjoy it. It's going to be all over the place, but better out there than staying in here and with each other. So anyway, send those comments. Whatever it is that you've really appreciated, what's been good, these cuddlemonials, platonic touch, however you've engaged. It could be either in the professional realm, like you've sought somebody, or it could be with a friend or family or your child, or however it is that you've engaged in platonic touch. Maybe at work, you've received a hug or you gave a hug. However it's working for you, share about it. And in your sharing, you're giving permission. I don't know if this is legal. I'll figure this part out later. For us to use that and use your voice, of course, anonymous. We won't be sharing your phone number or any of the other information that I could possibly gather through that. So please call the number 210-901-9943 and let me know. I look forward to hearing from you all. Take care. See ya. Bye.